No, come off of my life and avoid me and leave me alone. Come off of this, man. All you can come off of this too. You can't tell me how to express myself dirty woman, dirty old girl. Come off of this, man. Like me want none to like blood clot me. Me don't want none to like me. You don't have to support me. Don't like me. And you can't hate me for this some blood clot more. Me not stop talk. I will not stop talk because here what this is my story and this me go through this why. Sometimes you have to do therapy. Me never ask God for this, brother. Me never ask God for this. Me never ask nobody at all for this. Me never ask for this. When I time them, you know, me all run away, you know. Right? Me all run away. Me run away, you know. Me run away with hopes. Say, this woman would have give a shit. When me run away, I'ma come a town. I want one young man, one young Christian man see me. He carry me go buy me food. And then him carry me in him house where him mother live. And me stay there for a few days. But then I have no money, you know, because I run, you know, just for attention, you know. And the woman cuss me, you know. The woman cuss me because me I say, if me run away, should have shown me look attention and care about me. She never care about me. She cuss me. She cuss me. She cuss me. She cuss me and she bring me down. Come back at me yard. It's just the same thing I happen over and 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 over again. I am not continuing this cycle with you especially.